Follow the link to the Google Drive containing the Nomon installer. Download the installer. Open the installer file location. Double-click to launch the installer. If prompted, click Run Anyway. Change the installation location to C:\nomon. You can do this by deleting \program files. Press Next to start the installation. Press Finish to exit the installer. There will now be a Nomon icon on your desktop. Double-click to launch Nomon. If you installed Nomon somewhere other than C:\nomon, you will have to right-click and choose Run as Administrator. You will be prompted to add a user ID number. The default of 0 is fine. Please choose a different number for different users, as preferences will be saved under this number. Press the spacebar to navigate through the welcome screen. The spacebar is a mode of interaction with the program. When you get to the training screen above, press Start Training or the spacebar. To train, find the clock highlighted in green in each round and press the spacebar when this clock's minute hand passes noon. You will have to press 10 times. Sometimes the same clock will be highlighted. When asked about saving data, press Yes. All data is anonymized and saved locally. Every word and letter has a spinning clock to its left. To type a word or letter, locate the adjacent clock and press when the minute hand passes noon. Just like in the training, you will have to press more than once. The screen will flash when a selection is made, for example, the letter W. The letter W is now displayed in green in the text box on the bottom left. All text will be outputted here. Say I want to type the word welcome. I would repeat this process for the clock labeled E. Welcome is now a suggested word in the L box. I can select this word completion in the same way as letters. The underscore following each word will disappear as you type, so there is no need to delete it. This is also true for punctuation. Notice the outputted text has formatted after typing the next word, to. Your most recent text is inputted in green in the text box. This text is able to be undone by selecting the undo clock. The undo clock can be used multiple times. The backspace clock deletes the last letter. The clear clock deletes the context of the text box. There are multiple options for the personalization of Nomon. You can adjust the speed of the clocks with the slider at the top of the screen. The default value is 12. Users that are less precise should consider lowering the speed. Further customizations are located under the View menu. There are different styles of clocks. QWERTY and alphabetical keyboard layouts, and varying levels of word predictions. Fewer words result in a larger clock face for those with visual difficulties. There are more options under the Tools menu. There is a profanity filter for the word suggestions. The default option is off. You are also able to retrain Nomon like you did on the first use. We recommend using this if it ever becomes very difficult to type, or you feel your use of the program has changed. The compressed data option allows you to send anonymized data back to us. This will create a compressed file that you can email to us. The location of this file is listed under the Show Details. Please send this file to the email given at nomonstudy@gmail.com. An updated file is created every time you click Compress Data.